Class of 2020. This is most definitely not the year that you planned, not the year that you could have expected, and certainly not the year that you could have imagined. We hope that you will be as proud to be a graduate of the Cobb County School District as we are proud to call you a graduate of the Cobb County School District. So from everyone on our one team, we hope that you have accomplished everything that you have set out to accomplish during your high school career. And we also know that we have prepared you for success for that next step. So we wish you the best of luck and the best of success in whatever your next step has in store for you.
Congratulations, class of 2020. This is it. You did it, and I am so excited. This has probably been one of the best years of my professional career. The opportunity to work with such amazing, dedicated, passionate, compassionate students just like you. This is your culminating year of your formative years of your education, and I could not be prouder. I stand shoulder to shoulder with your parents and your brothers and sisters, your extended family, to say how proud we are of you.
Hi, my name is Maya Simmons, and my time at Pebblebrook has been truly memorable. I feel as though I have learned so much about myself and how to interact with people and handle myself in different situations. I have grown so much as a person, performer, and leader, and I would like to thank all of the faculty and staff for helping me reach this point in my life.
I want you to know that I appreciate the opportunity and the honor to serve as your principal this year. You've made me smile, you've made me laugh, you've made me cry, all in a good way. And so I am forever grateful to God for the awesome and amazing opportunity to get to know each and every one of you and to be in the thread or the sentence of a long and successful story of your life. I want you to go on and do great things, follow your dreams, be passionate, be compassionate, and be good to others. If no one else has told you today, never ever forget, Dr. G loves you. I love you, class of 2020.